math story problem for the day. Kim brought 48 candy bars from Target. Then she returned some of them. Now she has 15 left. How many candy bars did she return? Let's read it one more time and think about what's going on in the story problem. Kim bought 48 candy bars from Target. Then she returned, that means she gave back some of them. Now she has 15 left. How many candy bars did she return? So let's see what we know and what we're trying to figure out. So we know that Kim bought 48 candy bars from Target. Then she returned some of them. Do we know how many she returned? No. Now she has 15 candy bars left. How many candy bars did she return? We don't know. So let's go ahead and represent together today. What's my part? How did you know? Yes. 15 is a part because it represents how much she has left. And what's my other part? You're right, it's the unknown because we don't know how many she returned. And what is my whole? Yes, 48, because that's how many candy bars she bought all together. Now let's do our number sentence together. But first, let me do my little trick that's gonna help me to make sure my number sentence matches my part whole box and my story problem. I know that I can minus my whole from my parts, and I know I can add my parts together. So my number sentence will look like 15 plus the unknown part equals my whole 48. Or I can do 48 plus, not plus, silly Miss Cruz. No. Someone help me. Plus, let me use my little trick. Okay, I need to minus, right? 48 minus 15, or 48 minus my unknown part. Silly Miss Cruz. So we can do 48 minus my part equals my unknown part. And what's the strategy we can use to help us figure out our unknown part? That's one. What's another one? Yes, so we can either do count up or we can do count back. Today we're gonna practice count back. So let's practice together. When we count back, we start at the whole. We start at the, yes. So our whole is 48. I'm gonna represent 48. How many tens? Yes, 4 tens. How many ones? Yes, 8 ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Thank you for counting with me. 46, 47, 48. So I'm gonna start with my whole, then I'm gonna count back. I'm going to count my part. What am I counting back? Yes, the part. How many 10s am I gonna count back from my part? 1, 10, good job. And how many 1s am I gonna count back? Yes, 5 1s, good job. So, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I counted back my part. Now I'm gonna count how much is left in my representation of my whole to figure out my unknown part. So let's count what's left. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So how many candy bars did she return? Yes, she returned 33 candy bars to the store. Good job today using count back to help us find that missing part. Now it is your turn to use that same count back strategy, starting with the whole, counting back the part to figure out our unknown part. Here's a story problem you're getting ready to do on your own. 94 scholars were in the gym. Some left to go home. Now there are 41 scholars in the gym. How many went home? 94 scholars were in the gym. Some left to go home. Now there are 41 scholars in the gym. How many went home? Do your best work today and make sure you neatly represent and solve to find that missing part. Don't make that silly mistake Miss Coombs did. See you in the next video.